Shalom everybody, here I am in the land of Israel. We are celebrating our new year of trees, Tu B'Shvat. And if you look on the ground over here, what are you looking at? You're looking at beautiful dates that have fallen from the date palm. The date palm is one of our 7 species of tree in Israel. It's a very, very healthy fruit, having many different vitamins in it. And it's fascinating, the connection to restoration, because this is the kind of tree that no one would believe that in Israel today, the ancient tree found on Masada 2,000 years ago in the storehouse that was left during the battle when the Romans placed siege on our ancient fortress. And what remained was the date palm that represents the species, our everlasting connection to the land and the restoration. And those seeds were found in the 60s, and they began to dig, and later on in 2005, they planted the seeds in a kibbutz called Kibbutz Keturah. And 20 years later, the fruit have come to life. They actually found a male and female, because it takes 2 to make a fruit like the date palm. And I think that message is hit so strongly today when people try to argue, when people try to create lies who the land belongs to. But no, we are back in the land and we're here to stay, and the palm testifies to this. Have a beautiful new year of the trees. Blessings to you all.